Welcome to the Weather Center. We have here this cold front that has already introduced cloud and rainy weather this Sunday along the south coast and the adjacent interior. We are also going to see thunderstorms starting early over the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape, and during the day the storms will spread eastwards into KwaZulu-Natal and northwards into the Free State and the Northern Cape, and towards the evening we are going to see the thunderstorms spilling into the westernmost areas of the northwest. Otherwise, it's going to be partly cloud and dry for the rest of the northwest, much of Gauteng and Mpumalanga, but mostly sunny skies are forecast across the Limpopo province. Now this Sunday you can expect widespread thunderstorms where you see the shade of purple across the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape. Scattered rain and thunderstorms are forecast in the areas highlighted by the dark shade of blue, and we're expecting a smaller chance of precipitation where you see the lighter shades of blue. Now we have a watch in place for heavy rains that could reach and exceed 50 millimeters in the next 24 hours across the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape and over western KwaZulu-Natal. Afternoon and evening thunderstorms are forecasted this Sunday around Vryburg. Otherwise, it's going to be partly cloudy, dry and hot for much of the northwest, as well as across the Gauteng province. Sunny and hot in Limpopo. Polokwane warming to around 33 degrees, a high of 34 for Mbombela. Thunderstorms are also possible across the Mpumalanga Highveld. We are going to see isolated thunderstorms across much of the Free State, but it's going to be pretty unsettled for the bulk of KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape. Light rain as we go towards Grahamstown, where a high of 19 is expected. We are also going to see thunderstorms along much of the east coast, including around East London, where a high of 21 is expected. A bit of rain for Port Elizabeth, warming to 19 degrees this afternoon. Rain and thunderstorms are expected over the Southern Cape areas. It's going to be partly cloudy and dry, however, as we go towards the western sections of the Western Cape. Worcester warming to around 26 degrees. Cloud and rainy weather is also forecast along much of the south coast, where fresh to strong southeasterlies are forecasted this Sunday. We are expecting partly cloudy skies, giving us isolated thunderstorms this Sunday across much of the Northern Cape. Pretty hot for Upington and Priska, both peaking at around 37 degrees. We have a warning for gale force winds in places along the southwest coastline, where winds could gust to 40 kilometers per hour for Cape Town and Langaban, and we're expecting swell heights off the west coast to average around 3 meters, with the swell coming from a south to southwest direction. On Monday, we are going to see rain and thunderstorms across much of South Africa. It's going to be partly cloudy and dry, however, in Gauteng and also over around Cape Town, where a high of 24 is expected.